this looks like all we're going to get. So for me, unfortunately, I didn't do much work in Crimson. I've been doing some stuff on classic quality of service stuff. We will port that work directly to Crimson. It's exactly orthogonal, so it will go into Crimson eventually. But that's what I was working on. Yungjin, how's it going?
Yeah, I'm just back to work yesterday, so I'm still reviewing the LBA optimization, and I will send out the comment today. And there's one place worth pointing out here. The link. So the goal of the parent-child link is to is that we will have benefit not to look up into the cache indexes, and seems looking at the PR seems there are more use cases that we can skip looking up the transactional extents, and also the look up into the cache, which the method name is cache query cache. It is also seems unnecessary. So in short, there are still considerable benefits we can get from the parent-child link optimization.
Cool.
And
I was just gonna suggest that we don't necessarily have to nail all that for this PR. We can come back on a subsequent PR and make further improvements.
Well, I think that's just simple change.
Fair enough.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and for another PR, I think I might need some help and feedback, whether it is appropriate for merge or is there still anything missing. And I think this will simplify Chunmei's work, but I don't really see there's any incorrect impact to the OSD logic.
Oh, I'm sorry. I told you I was going to review this, but I didn't. Sorry, I got very busy. I will really do this tomorrow, for real.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
No problem. So that's all.
All right, Harsh?
Hey, hello. Hope I'm audible. So from the QE side, during the RBD testing last week, we found 5 more failures with our 5 more failures of test cases from our test suite that we were executing through automation. And out of these 5 failures, upon investigation, we found that 2 were actually false failures. It was just happening because of the added message that we have in our STD outstream, the ones which are the warning messages. The following danger is an experimental features on enabled Crimson. So those were causing those false failures because we were trying to capture the list of images that we have in RBD. So those 2 were resolved, but the other 3 need further investigation, and I have not raised bug for those because I do recall that I was told that RBD performance is not absolutely stable. So I just want to have a discussion with Nidson first about those failures, and if needed, I'll raise the bug for those. There was a ask for the one of the bugs that was raised previously, which was about the pool compression. And I have been working on that, but my cluster setup yesterday got messed up, so I wasn't able to provide that information, but I'll try to provide that information as soon as possible on that upstream tracker itself. That's pretty much it from my side. And in this week, we'll try to cover rest of the DDoS tests which were not executed previously. These will mostly be focused on the pool functionalities. So yeah, that's about it.
Okay, sounds good. Chunmei?
Last week I modified the medical SeaStar PR and updated, and still debugging on the medical OSD. Single OSD seems works, and multiple OSD emit a alert in the peering event, and so still debugging on that alert.
All right, sounds good. Let's see. As I mentioned, I'll be out next week for CephaliCon, and I'll be back the week after that, though. Anyone have anything else they want to talk about? All right, have a great week. Bye. Oh, go ahead.
One question will be, so if you'll be out, will we still have this meeting next week?
Yes, Yingjin's gonna run it.
Okay, got it. Thank you. And this will be the link. We'll switch to Jitsi probably fortnight. Is that right?
Next week will still be Blue Jeans. The week after that, yes, I will probably try to swap it to Jitsi. I will send out a link several days before that, though, so people can try it out and let me know if it doesn't work. But next week it'll be the same link.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. See you later.